Time Media Productions. Today we are in Anand Super Bazaars in the Poch area of Sambalpur Golbajar, and it is a new outlet of Anand Groups of Company. There are many products they have display here, but mostly we are concerning to the grocery product. Let's see how the grocery products are selling here. You see, this is mini Mogra basmati rice, 5 kgs, only 315 rupees. Mini Mogra basmati rice, 10 kgs, 608 rupees. And salt are there, other items, sugars are there. Sugar are also here. Let me ask the shop manager what are the price of the sugar and all. And some prices are already displayed here. You see, this is rice bag, and this so far this is pure atta. This is called atta. That is only 290 rupees in 5 kg. For 5 kg 290 rupees, and 232 rupees 5 kg, that is Rajbhog Sarvati atta. And if you want to purchase plain atta, that is 210 rupees, that is inside there. And these are all rice and dals are there. Let me ask the prices here. That has been displayed here. Delhi Vachata for loose rahat dal 160 rupees, and loose chana dal 1 kg 90 rupees. Loose sugar. Sugar you can purchase sugar in 45 rupees per kg. You see, these are the prices. And best quality of rice you can also believe that is available here. And prices already been mentioned here. Dal is 130 rupees. Loose dal 149 rupees, and other items are also there. You see, rice, good quality of rice are here. 1 kg 77 rupees. Good quality rice, top rice. This is loose dal white biri, this 149 rupees. The prices are as compared to world market. Our price is very cheap as compared to world market. If you go to Pakistan and other neighbor countries, you can see the price of attas are there around 1200 rupees for 5 kgs. But here you can have the atta in 210 rupees. You see, that is 210 rupees atta here. I am showing you, this is 210 rupees in 5 kgs. And apart from this, other items are there. Let us show you that. If you want to purchase 1 kg here, the prices already been mentioned here. 1 kg, all dals, varieties of dals. Rahat dal, 500 grams also available here. Rahat dal, 500 grams available here. Delhi Vachata first, our price. Anaj, Rahat dal 160 rupees, Moong dal, Biri dal. And the prices are, if you compare to the world market, even the most developed country, America, Russia and other countries, our price is definitely been cheap. And if you go to the nearby country, Pakistan or Bangladesh or Sri Lanka, Bhutan and other countries, you can see our price are, as compared to the neighbor countries, our price are very cheap. So dear friend, this is, we say this is good administrations and good governance, both state and central government. As you all know, the central government is led by Modi government, and state government Odisha is led by Navin government here. The Biju Janata Dal is in government since last 20 years, and since last 10 years the Modi government is in country. And apart from this, some other items are also available here. You can see Tropicana, this is the juices. You can purchase juices here, just 100 rupees it is. And you may get some benefit also if you purchase 15% off, 30% off, somewhere 30% off. So other items are here already, but we are concerning with the, because these are the things which the poor people and all men, basically the countryman is requiring all these things. And this is for the day-to-day need, daily need items. Though in this outlet all items are available, everything are available, but we are just gone through the daily items. Juices are there, juices, tomato ketchups. You see, they are the corn is there, biscuits, everything are there. You see, this is some snacks, biscuits are there. So definitely we say that if you compare the prices of Indian market is cheaper as compared to neighbors and other countries. So we must pray to the Almighty, let the price be in under control. This is the child food, child powder, milk powders are there, child food are there, peas are there, everything, you see. So dear friends, hope you will like our videos. Time to time we are showing you some very common programs for the knowledge of the world communities. This is you see, this is oil, mustard oil is here, and other oil. You see the here if you can purchase groundnut oil in 192 rupees, and engine oil if you take 1 kilos, it is mustard oil 132 rupees, 158 rupees. And if you go for ghee, then it is 65 rupees half kgs. And if you go for a cow ghee, pure ghee, that is 346 rupees per kg. And cow ghee is also that 665 rupees per kg. Patanjali's, they are even 248 rupees. You see, this is 5 kgs, 5 kg items, 5 kg refined oils, and this is 2 kg, 1 kg, like that. Every size of packets you are getting here. Here you see the spices are also present there. The dhania, the pan muhuris, these are also under control. The prices are controlled. This is the powders, masala, spices are here. So as compares, we must believe that our price is cheaper and under the purchase capacities of the common man. Here child food, satos, other items also here. Well, let me ask the manager of the store. Sir, you are welcome to Mahanadi Time Media Productions. You just say the prices are here. You have already displayed the prices. ये prices क्या, मान लीजिए अभी जो प्राइस है कुछ बढ़ोतरी होगा तो क्या कितना टाइम लगता है कुछ बढ़ने के लिए और कितना परसेंटेज बढ़ता है? जैसा कोई अभी आटा का प्राइस, आई एम गोइंग टू आटा, इट इज़ 210 रुपीज़ फॉर 5 kg. ओके, सो ये बढ़ेगा तो कितना बढ़ सकता है?
ये 5-10 रुपया प्लस माइनस होता रहता है.
प्लस माइनस हमेशा होता रहता है.
जो स्टॉक आता है
यानी एक साल में भी 5-10 रुपया 15 रुपया बढ़ता है, ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ता है.
एक साल में 15-20 रुपया
5-10 रुपया इतना बढ़ता है ना. और उसके साथ साथ जो अभी प्राइस जो बोले कि चीनी भी है, शुगर भी है, एंड अदर आइटम्स आर ऑल्सो देयर, राइस, दाल, दैट प्राइस ऑल्सो. मान लीजिए कुछ बढ़ना है तो उसी हिसाब से बढ़ता है, दैट इज इंक्रीजिंग ऑन दैट अमाउंट. ऐसा नहीं होता कि जैसा आज आटा का रेट 210 रुपीज़ है तो उसको 2000 रुपया, ऐसा नहीं होता.
नहीं, वैसे कभी नहीं,
ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है ना, कभी होगा.
मैक्सिमम 10 या 5 रुपया प्लस माइनस से इधर उधर
चलता
हो सकता है.
अच्छा,
वैसे जितना मैक्सिमम 10-20 रुपये.
तो आपका जो प्राइसेस जो होता है ये डिपेंड करता है हमारे इकोनॉमी के ऊपर, है ना. तो आप कभी ऐसा फील होता है कि हमारा प्राइसेस अभी ऐसा जैसा कोई क्रेजीनेस है क्या कस्टमर के पास कि चलो भैया दाम बढ़ना है, खरीद लो इसको?
नहीं,
ऐसा नहीं. यानी प्लेंटी ऑफ आइटम्स रहता है, प्लेंटी ऑफ गुड्स अवेलेबल है ना, प्राइसेस एवरीथिंग प्लेंटी अवेलेबल. यू सी डियर फ्रेंड्स, so far the prices are concerned, the managers stated that if at all the price is hike, it is just 5 to 10% of the total amount. So there are no any chances of price hike in the overnight. So we once again thanks to the owner of the outlet, Mr. Agrawal, and thanks to the manager, he permitted us for this particular program. Thank you, sir, by allowing us to cover your outlet. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.